Hi guys, Simon from 50 Shades of Green here. I just wanted to show everybody we've got something strange happening here. We haven't had this in 8 to 10 weeks. It's raining, everybody! Yes! And I guess what? I think it's all down to Mr. Blue Star Dave and Dean from Dean's Lost the Plot for doing all those rain dances, and I just think the rest of the world should know about it. So this clip is all dedicated to Dean from Dean's Lost the Plot and Blue Star Dave for their rain dance. We can all appreciate the hard work and dedication of your dancing for us to enjoy the benefits from not having to water our gardens today. So I just wanted to say, if you don't know who Dean and Dave is, please check out their channels on YouTube. They are absolutely brilliant people. Dean is a master of his plot and is always there every single day doing his after work, doing his late nights in his greenhouse, planting up and potting out, and then there's Blue Star Dave comes to his allotment after work and in the weekends with all his many characters and storylines and stuff like that. Their dedication has been paid in full by this glorious rain. We don't know how much longer it's going to last for, but it started 10 minutes ago and it's still going. So my tomatoes, thank you. My courgettes, thank you. Down to my fruit trees and green beans, which are pitiful. I think I've left them on there to dry out now for next year, because they are pitiful. But I don't know if you can see over there, over by my pond, I'm going to have plenty of apples. I'm going to have plenty of onions and garlic when they've already dried out. So I've had my harvest of onions and garlic, and hopefully my corn will actually make an appearance before the wind blows all the pollen away, because I can't see no tassels. So anyway, I just wanted to say, go out and check their channels and thank them very much from us down in the West Midlands, a little town called Droitwich, because this is probably at least 8 weeks since we've had rain. Any rain what I can talk about, and so yeah, bye bye for now.